Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for Qtum. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now, the first key level we can notice is our monthly swing high right over here, which is obvious to spot here on the chart. Now we can also plot in our monthly swing low, which is the lowest point price has reached. Now we can also plot in a key level right here at our two swing highs here on the monthly. We also notice a key level right here where we see multiple reactions acting as support, and as price broke through, the same key level acted as resistance. So we can also notice some key levels around here. We have a resistance here, and as we see long wicks reacting as support and support over here. Now let's hop to the weekly chart. So here on the weekly, what can we notice? First, we can plot our weekly swing high right here. Now, if we zoom into more recent price action, we can notice we had a clear support level right here, as we had multiple reactions to the key level before price broke through. And if we look left, we can notice that we have multiple reactions to the same key level. We could also plot a key level right around here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. And we notice long wicks reacting to the level here, and as price broke through, we see another reaction acting as resistance. So, looking at our chart here, we notice another key level right here, where we can see multiple reactions acting as support to this key level, which is obvious on the chart. So these are all of our key levels plotted on the chart, and if we look to the right, we can see our key levels are at 27, 22. This monthly zone here is around 15.1 to 16. We have a weekly level here around 12. We have a monthly zone around 8.2 to 7.4. We have a monthly level around 5, a weekly level around 3, 3.4, a weekly level around 2.6, and our monthly swing low right around 1.1. So these are all of our key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.